Hello, good day. In this partial class, we're looking at this question. Say in the diagram, ABCD is a circle with center O. The quadrilateral OBCD is a rhombus such that angle ADO is equal to angle OBA is equal to Y, and angle BAD is equal to T. Find the value of T, the value of Y, and angle ADC. First, let's look at this, how this can be resolved. Now, remember, since O is the center, it means that OB and OD, they are radii. Okay, so that means they are radii. That makes triangle OBD or triangle ODB an isosceles triangle. But also recall that angle this angle here is equals to 2t because angle at the center is 2 times the angle at any point on the circumference. Okay, then remember that OBCD is a rhombus. It equally means that the angle here, this angle BCD, is 2t because the opposite angle of a rhombus they are the same. Okay, so with this, let's also look at ABCD is a quadrilateral that is inscribed within a circle. It means that this angle here, angle BAD plus angle BCD, they add up to give a 180 degree. Okay, so here we have a T plus 2t, that gives 180 degree because the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, they add up to give 180. So here 3t is equals to 180. So the value of t is equals to 180 divided by 3, and that gives us 60 degree. That's the value of t. Now let's look at this triangle OBD. Okay, triangle OBD. Since it's an isosceles triangle, let's assume that the base angle here, let it be A. So the base angle of isosceles triangle, they are what? They are the same. So from triangle OBD, the sum of angle in a triangle, give a 180 degree. Means that A plus 2t, they will add up to give a 180 degree. Okay, so here we have a 2a plus 2t. 6t is 60 degree. That will give a 120 is equals to 180. So here we have a 2a is equals to, if we move 120 to the right hand side, we come negative 180 minus 120, so that 2a is equals to 60, so that a is equals to 30. Okay, now we are done with that. If we look at this triangle ABD, which is made up of this angle y plus a here, it means that we're going to have t plus y plus a, that will give us a plus y. Okay, 2 into a plus y. If we add it together, they give us 180. It's a sum of angle in a triangle. What it simply means that if you look at this triangle here, okay, triangle ABD, the angle ABD plus angle ADB plus angle BAD, they add up to give 180. So angle ABD is the same thing as angle ADB. So that's why we're having 2 into A plus Y. Okay, but T, the value of T is known to be 60 degree. So we'll put here 60 degree plus 2 into what? The value of A is 30 plus Y is equal to 180. Then here quickly we can move 60 to the right hand side. This becomes 2 into 30 plus Y is equal to 180 minus 60, and that will become 30 plus Y, close bracket. That gives a 120. Now we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So here will become 30 plus Y is equal to 60. So Y is equal to 60 minus 30. So the value of Y is 30 degree. Okay, we'll be able to find the value of T and Y. Then they say we should find angle ADC. Angle ADC is made up of Y, A, and this angle here. This angle here. Let's assume this angle is X. So the angle ADC, angle ADC is made up of Y plus A plus X. Since A and Y are known, we can also find the angle that are made up of A and X. Now remember, 6 OBCD is a rhombus. It means that if the whole of this one 2T, that is angle BOD, and angle BCD, they are the same. It means that the whole of this angle here, let's assume the whole of this angle, that is angle BCO, let it be B. It means that this angle here, the whole of this angle here, that is angle OBC, is also B. Okay, so let's see how this can be done. So this angle here, remember that a rhombus is also a quadrilateral. So that the sum of angle in a rhombus, rhombus must add up to give 360. So B plus B, that gives 2B, plus 2T plus 2T, that gives 4T, and everything will add up to give 360. That is the sum of angle in a quadrilateral. So we remember that we know that T is 60. 4 times 60 gives us 240. That means 360 minus 240. Okay, so 2B is equal to, if you take away this, this will give us 420. So B, we divide both sides by 2, B eventually becomes 60. But B is made up of the angle A plus X. So here we have a 60. Since angle A is 30 plus X, S is equal to 30 degree. So with that, we can conveniently find the value of angle ADC. Like I mentioned here, that ADC is made up of the sum of Y plus A plus angle X. So we are talking about this angle here, and this angle here. That is mean of ADC, angle ADC. So let's, if we add it together, the angle ADC, 6y is 30, a is 30, and x is also 30. If they are added up, eventually the value of angle ADC is equals to 90 degree. So this is how to resolve this question. Please, if you find this video very useful, help me subscribe and also share this on your social media platform. Follow my Facebook page as well.